Hi everybody, it's Linda. Welcome back to Tips for You. Well, today I want to share with you a fantastic product. I absolutely love it. About 12 years ago, I stopped using antiperspirants because they contain aluminum. Aluminum was found in some studies back in the 2000s to be linked to breast cancer as well as the development of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Now, since then, there have been conflicting studies and information put out about that. Some say there is no correlation, some say there is. I like to play it safe. Apparently there was some correlation found in petri dishes, but not so much in human studies. But that's enough for me, because I do know that all of this information about aluminum began back when they were giving aluminum hydroxide to dialysis patients because they had elevated phosphorus in their blood. And they found that because these kidney patients had compromised kidney function, they could not get rid of the aluminum in their bodies properly, and so it built up. And as a result, they got dementia. So that's enough for me. Now, the rest of the population, many people just don't have compromised kidney function, but I really don't like the idea of my body having to get rid of aluminum, through my kidneys and everything else. Or there's aluminum in all kinds of things that we take in, so why should I put it on my body so that I am giving myself more aluminum when I can simply avoid it by using deodorants? And that's what I've been doing for the last 12 years. As a matter of fact, I did a video back in 2009 about this very subject, and I will link it below so that you can take a look at it, because what I said, I still feel true to and is relevant to me, and I have not used aluminum antiperspirants for many years. If you're not familiar with how aluminum in antiperspirants works, I'll explain it to you. Aluminum in antiperspirants is absorbed through your skin and into your sweat glands, where it mixes with water from your body. That causes it to swell to form a plug, which prevents your sweat from escaping. I truly believe that your body should be able to get rid of its toxins and sweat the way it should. I don't want my sweat glands blocked. I certainly don't want my underarm sweat glands blocked. Your underarm area is filled with lymph nodes and sweat glands, and those sweat glands are apocrine glands, and so they excrete proteins and fats that come out with the sweat. And your groin area is the same way, and that's why the odor happens, because bacteria are very attracted to that. So you do need something, and I want to recommend this deodorant today because it's not easy to find a deodorant that really works and stays with you all day through exercise and everything, but this one does, and it is fantastic. I've recommended it on my social media. I wanted to do a video, recommend it to you. It's the Arm & Hammer Essentials Deodorant. I use the fresh scent. They also have unscented, and I think they might have like a clean scent. I have not tried those two, but from the reviews, I've heard the unscented is excellent if you don't want to smell like anything. But I want to tell you, this is one of the nicest smells I have ever smelled. If I could buy it in a perfume to wear and spritz, I would. I've gotten so many compliments when I've worn this deodorant, and I know it's the deodorant because at the time I'm not wearing any perfume. People have asked me, what is that lovely smell? What is that lovely smell? And I'm like, it's my deodorant. I've recommended it to so many people. Now, it does not contain aluminum. It does not contain parabens, and I'm going to talk about parabens in just a second. No animal products. It contains natural plant extracts and baking soda. It goes on clear. It does not leave a white residue. It's very comfortable. It's not sticky. I absolutely love this smell. Now, I also want to tell you that there is a side benefit to it. One is it does not yellow your clothing. It has an anti-yellowing formula, and it will not yellow your clothing. As a matter of fact, antiperspirants have been the culprits for yellow stains on white t-shirts and things like that. And number two, and I cannot attest to this personally, but I have heard that if you have a dark skin problem under your armpits, that it has lightened people's skin under there. I'm assuming it is the baking soda and a combination of the plant extracts, but many women who have had a problem with darkening there have seen lighter skin there, and that's just a bonus. And I'm sorry I can't review that part of it for you because I don't have that issue. But if you're one of those people and you want to comment below and let me know, I would love to know if you try this and you use it and you see lightened skin under your arms. It also doesn't contain parabens, and parabens is something that they have found in breast cancer tissue. When they've removed it from cancerous breasts, they have found that it contained parabens. So your body is storing those things. Again, these are endocrine disruptors. They disrupt your estrogen balance, and when that happens, they're saying that's what could have led to an increased risk of breast cancer or perhaps other types of hormonal issues. In case you're not familiar, parabens are preservatives used in cosmetic products and foods. They are absorbed into the body through the skin or orally through the mouth. So I play it safe, and I hope you will too. I think it's a good idea if we have choices and we can make a different choice. So I hope you try this deodorant. I really think you're going to love it. I'm going to put a link below. You can check it out. It's in every drugstore that I've seen. Walmart. It's probably about $3. It's not expensive. I have used it for a very long time, probably well over a year, and I just absolutely love it. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe because I have a lot more to come. Lots and lots of helpful tips for you. And also, please visit me at my blogspot where I do a lot of writing, and I'm also on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram, so we can stay connected there as well. Okay, well, thanks so much for viewing. Bye-bye now.